What is up, guys? It's me, Nathaniel again, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make these delicious bean and cheese and lettuce quesadillas. So the first step is you get the beans. So I got the refried beans. Let me show you what kind of beans there are. These beans, these are really good, refried beans. I just put a little bit of water on the pan and just heated them up. Just mix them in while they're hot. Now we got these tortillas. They're heating up right now, so I gotta turn them real quick. Let me. Like that. So let me show you guys how I make these. So first, I'm gonna cut my tomato. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna cut this tomato in half. Next, slice it, dice it, halves, then fourths. And just cut it into little cubes. And once more. I don't know if you guys can see that, but just cutting the tomatoes into little cubes. Little bite-sized pieces. There we go. Mande. ¿Eh? No, y lo estoy haciendo ahorita. Nada. Okay. Sorry, that's just my mom warning about my cooking skills. It's alright. I'm a good cook. Anyways. So that's done. Now, get your plate real quick. I'm gonna get this little plate right here. Maybe this one. And I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. So we get the tortilla, put it down there. Tortilla's there. Get a nice scoop of beans. Put it in the middle. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Next, we're gonna put the oh, I forgot to chop up the lettuce. Let me do that real quick. Oops. Let me chop the lettuce real quick. Show you guys how I do that. And yeah, this is a pretty good meal to eat on the go. Maybe you're going to your doctor's appointment, or I don't know, to the store. You want something to eat real quick? You could just cook this up in about 5 to 6 minutes, pretty easily. So we get some lettuce and put it here. And we get the tomatoes, put them here. And there you go. You got yourself your little bean burrito, your bean taco. Just have that there. And what I like to do sometimes is I like to grill it a little bit more. Put it there. Grill a little bit more. And I'll show you guys another quick idea that I have too. That I like to put the beans in the middle. As you guys can see. Put them in the middle. And just kind of smush them in there. Next, I get the lettuce. And this time I just put it all over the tortilla. As well as the tomato. A little bit of tomato. Next, get another tortilla. And then put a little bit of beans on there. A little bit of beans. slap it on this side. Now you got yourself a little chalupa. I like to eat that like that. Sometimes I heat it up as well. Let me show you guys how I do that. So I get this, get it, heat it up. So we got one more. Put the beans in there. Next, get the tomato, the lettuce, and there we go. Got myself a little snack. Hope you guys like that recipe. See you guys later. Peace.